Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to submit a report in Expensify. Now the first thing I want you to do once you log into your dashboard, come in the left hand panel, click on reports, and then click on reports again. You'll be able to see all the reports you have. If you want to create a new one, you can come here at the bottom left, click on the plus icon, and then click on create report. If you want to add expenses to an existing report and then submit that, all you need to do is click on any report we want to add the expenses to, come to the top right, click on more, and then you can click on add expense and add your expenses right here. And once you're ready, all you need to do is click on this green icon, submit, okay? Click on this and there you go. It will be sent for approval, as you can see. And you can also just come here to reports and just click on the submit button and it will go towards approval. And that is how you submit a report in Expensify.